Good morning to everyone. Today பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் ரஸ்ட் டிசீஸ். ரஸ்ட் டிசீஸ் caused by highly specialized fungi pose of significant global threat to plant health, affecting drivers ranking to plant species worldwide. This disease led to estimated 10 to 20 billion in annual crop losses, severely impacting agriculture productivity and food security across continent. The causative organism Basidiomycetes life cycle. First step is the germinating spore in plant. Sporeless mycelium produce germinating basidospores. Morphology and complex life cycle. Piocenal stage, azinal stage, uridinal stage, telial stage and basidal stage. First spore stage, typically upper of leaf surface, produced aziospore, often a alternate host. Repeats the infection primary host, producing the urinoidespores in rust colored. Produce teleospores, often the overwintering. Basidal stage, basidospores infect the alternate host. Key host plants in economically. Coffee plants is the mainly caused 1 to 12 billion annual losses in the Latin American is the devastation of the coffee industry. Soybean rust leads to 10 to 80% yield. Severe case of the pin blister rust and then the white pine population across in North America. The ongoing battle of the rust disease. Integrate pest management, research, innovation, international collaboration. IPM approach combining genetic resistant culture practice and judicious chemical control with sustainable rust management. Research innovative, continued investment, genetic research, advanced breeding program, sophisticated surveillance technology critical for developing new resist variety and detection method. International even global nature rust sport spread. International collaboration among scientists, government, farmers indispensable for effective monitoring, sharing knowledge and implementing coordinate control strategies. Prevention long-term management, resistant crop variety, crop rotation, sanitation practice, monitoring and yearly detection, quarantine measure. The most effective long-term solution involve planting crop variety, breed to genetic resistant to specific rust pathogen. For crop rotations is the life cycle, rotating crops, break the disease cycle, depleting pathogen in toast. Removing and destroying infected plant debris, harvest can significantly reduce overwintering inoculum. Regular field scottling and timely detecting initial rust symptoms. Repeat intervention preventing widespread epidemics. Strict phytosanitary regulation quarantine measure vital to prevent the introduction spread to few new virulence rust strains across region to continue. Symptoms enna visual signals, physiological impact, yield reproductions. Treatment fungicide application, alternate host eradication, limited biocontrol. Commonly used fungicides include protoconazole, tebinazole, azozoles. The most effective applied prevently overly onset symptoms of the nebit spores, germinating on fungal growth. Heterococcus rust, removing the alternative host plants, break the disease cycle. A prime example of the eradication barberry to control wheat stem rust. Widely research of ongoing effective large-scale biological control option as disease currently limited to some antagonistic fungi and bacteria show promise experimental setting. Thank you.